Hi, I'm Maria Langer, and I'm narrating yet another one of my videos. And I'm doing that because yet again I had a camera problem. This time it wasn't the cameras that had a problem, it was the audio connected to one of the cameras. My in-cockpit audio did not work, so although you might see me waving my hands around and talking animatedly about something, who knows what it was, you will not actually hear that. And I don't know if this is going to be an ongoing problem or if it's just a fluke. I just hope it's not ongoing. This video shows me taking off from my house, which you see right in front of us, and flying to the airport. This is a remake, in a way, of a video that I did a bunch of years ago called Home to Airport by Helicopter. It is by far the most watched video on this channel. It has over 10 million views, and it has attracted a lot of people to this channel to see the content. So I thought that I would redo that video, make it a little bit peppier, by cutting out all the startup process stuff that takes up a lot of time at the beginning of that video and just cut to the flying part. So it's a much shorter video, and it takes you from my home to the airport where I land for fuel at the new fuel island. If you haven't seen the other one, I recommend watching it because it's kind of neat to see the differences between this video and that one. So I'm not going to say much more in this. There are lots of little captions that'll suggest things to look at or explain what you're seeing. I'll let you watch it yourself. Without that, I do want to take a moment to thank the channel members and subscribers. You folks are who make me make new video. You motivate me, and without you folks, I would not be doing that. We're coming up on 75,000 subscribers for this channel. I'm really excited about that. I would love to see us get that by the end of July. So if you're not a subscriber, click that subscribe button, become a subscriber, turn on notifications to learn about new content, and enjoy the channel. I'm going to shut up now, so enjoy the rest of the video. Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.